$70,000 at 22. Hear the amazing story of our graduate. Before joining PCH Institute, I was a guy with no money, car, or any goals. I was just a dropout who was working at Dunkin' Donuts with no real ambition to become better. One day, my younger brother decided to help me get my life together and suggested that the best thing I can do is take a career personality test. I decided to take the test and saw that the best career for me is information technology. I put a lot of research about the career, and PCH Institute was the first school that came up. At first, I was very doubtful about starting this journey. I had a fear of being a dropout and getting myself in so much debt. 1 year after going to this school, I can honestly say that this decision has not only been a life changer, but a blessing that I never thought I would get at 22 years old. Not only do I love my career, but this school gave me the most important thing I've always wanted, which is freedom. This school gave me a reason to strive for greatness, and this school is the reason why I have a car, money in my account, and a $70,000 salary. PCH opened my eyes about what I am capable of, and opened the door for me to chase so many opportunities as an IT professional. I will always give thanks for this school, and most importantly, giving thanks to myself for making the best decision in my life. Call 800-722-4360 or visit pcage.edu live online classes. Transfer credits for a degree from our partner Thomas Edison State University. Financial aid if qualified. Job placement assistance. Admissions at pch.edu.